Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our videos, and if you're watching our video for the very first time, thanks so much for dropping by to watch our videos, and we'd like you to please kindly click on the subscribe button so as to always get the latest information and news here on our YouTube channel. It has been reported that amid several reactions and trailing the rejection of the bail application of the Nollywood actor Baba Ijesha over the alleged sexual molestation of a minor, there has been a particular lady in which has opened up on being Baba Ijesha's younger sister. And before we proceed, let us quickly give a hearing to what she has to say.
Freedom, he can't do anything, it's just useless. The family too are useless, we can't do anything because we cannot leave our family to be in pain and we are happy. Ko possible. Ogbono ile wa niyan ko de gbodo wo. Me already ati daruko anybody. I am not ready to mention name and I'm not going to mention name. But this person, tó bá yẹ pé ní tòótọ́, ní pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe, ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀ wà níbí báyìí, ìyá ìyàwó ò ní support ẹ o. Defilement don pariwo 7 years ago tí gbogbo èèyàn bá mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Ìjẹ̀ṣà tí àwa ẹbí ò lè sọ síta. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá ṣe ríyàn pé wàṣọ tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí nínú fíìmù ẹ̀rọ pé ó ń live perfect life. Ìyọ̀ mélòó la fẹ́ lọ máa rojọ́ tèmi fún pé báyìí ni tó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, báyìí ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, tá la fẹ́ ro tiwa fún. So these things has been happening that we have been keeping it in the family thing, and you decide to bring it to the public, and we are ready. Ṣé princess yìí fún ara ẹ̀ ṣó ti sọ iye ìgbà tó ń fún ara ẹ̀ ti bá aṣọ sí wọ́n wò níwájú Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé kí Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá òun sùn? Torí pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà dájẹ́ ò lè jà ṣùgbọ́n olóòbúrò tó gbójúlé o. Ó ní òye ìgbà tí princess yìí fún ara ẹ̀ tó máa pe Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé ẹ níbo ló wà mo sí ọbẹ̀ ọ̀fadà tán. Baálé ilé tó níyàwó káṣí ẹ̀gbọ́n tó yàwó òsì Nàìjíríà ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ ó ní àbúrò ó lẹ́gbọ̀n. You claim to be a friend to somebody and you are also the enemy. Why are you a friend enemy to him? You said this person is your friend, you said you helped him, you said you this. Nígbà tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ ṣe WAEC, ṣó mọ bí sí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti ṣe WAEC? Torí you came to the social media and said ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní pé o help ẹ lọ sí school. When Ìjẹ̀ṣà did WAEC, I drove him down to where he did his WAEC in Ikorodu. And you are claiming as if Ìjẹ̀ṣà depend on you. Please, I am begging the social media, I am begging the entire Nigeria, I am begging the government. Gbogbo ìjọba ni mo bẹ̀. Kọjọ kí wọ́n jẹ́ ká fi ọwọ́ ká fi wo kíní ìdára ká farabalẹ̀ ká wo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kò lọ́wọ́ kò lẹ́sẹ̀ ní nǹkan tó fi ṣe. Okay, when you Bayomi said earlier, when you call somebody a pedophile, you should understand pé ẹni yìí ọmọ kékeré nìkan ló máa interest ẹ̀. Not àgbàlagbà. I have lived with him all my life. Kò dẹ̀ fọwọ́ kàn mí rí. At least I'm a distant family to him. He could say we are not born of the same father and the same mother, and he should abuse me. But he never did so. He made me who I am today. I am who I am because of God and because of him. So tó bá yẹ pé èèyàn tó ń bá ọmọ kékeré sùn ni àbí nǹkan ṣe kíní kan, a ti máa gbọ́ ìròyìn ẹ̀. But torí pé wájú kíkẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ dú àwọn fẹ́ tánìṣì méje.
Ṣé ti bá Baba Ijesha sọ̀rọ̀? Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń tọ́jú wọn sí níbi tí wọ́n fi wọ́n sí láàámọ́?
Kò síyàn tí ó ní ìtọ́jú nínú àhámọ́. Torí kò ń ṣe lè bàbá ẹ̀ kò dé ṣe lé ẹ̀. Kò síyàn tó máa tì mọ́nú ilé tínú ẹ̀ máa dùn. Abọ́sibọ́sí pé kò rí ta kò rọrùn kò rí anything. Ó kàn ń gbé bí ẹranko tó fi ajá gan tíyàn bá tọ́jú ajá sínú cage. Tó bá tó time kan yàn á free ẹ̀ pé ó yá ṣeré play around. Not to talk of a human being who has the right to freedom.
You said something the other time that even Princess herself at numerous times has...
Yes, and I will say it even to her front.
Okay, tell me.
Numerous times she has opened herself. Princess herself, as Princess Adebisi, the comedian, you know, has off her clothes that Ìjẹ̀ṣà to have sex with her. So because you said Ìjẹ̀ṣà refused you because he's a married man, you now said you are going to show him. The other day, lọ́jọ́ náà, Yorùbá ló fi sọ, màá fi ayé wọn ẹ̀, ṣé bó ti fa ayé wọn sí? Kóhùn náà kó má kú mọ́. Òun fún ara ẹ̀ náà tó lóun fẹ́ fa ayé wọn sí, kóhùn náà má kú mọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n àtìyàn tó jẹ́, àtìyàn tí ò mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kẹ́ lòmíì kó sán, ìkọ̀kọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe láre, ìkọ̀kọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Torí gbogbo eré tí wọ́n sá, wọ́n grant ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó rí àyè jáde.
ìgbésẹ̀ wo ni ó kàn tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé pẹ̀lú ìtìlẹ́jọ́?
Kò sí ìgbésẹ̀ kankan tá a fẹ́ gbé jù ni pé kí àwọn ìjọba kí wọ́n fi ojú ṣùnùkù wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, kí wọ́n dẹ̀ dá ẹjọ́ tó yẹ àti tó péye, kí wọ́n gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọ̀tún kó gbọ́ lẹ́nu òsì. Torí láti oṣù méjì tí nǹkan yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kò síyàn tó gbọ́ ha lẹ́nu ọmọ lẹ́nu ìyàn tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Ọmọ tí a dẹ̀ ń sọ yìí náà fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ wípé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ò bá òun sùn kí lè ta wá ń dì í mú.
Please, your name once again.
My name is Ewatomilola.
Welcome back, guys. Princess the comedian as well had opened up who is Damilola has replied to those asking to forgive the embattled actor. And also it was recalled that the photos of the actor who emerged online during the court hearing in Lagos attracted pity from many Nigerians and pleaded with the princess to let go of the case. And also during the trial on Wednesday, June 16, Kayode Olabiran, as his counsel, prayed the court to release his client, citing his deteriorating health. He said the controversial nature of the case has made it difficult to secure his release despite his bail, as intending sureties were scared of the likely consequences. But in the ruling, P.A. Nwaka, the judge, held that the court could not grant the actor bail because the matter is beyond its jurisdiction. The judge also explained that the case has already been filed before the High Court of Law. And taking to Instagram, Princess shared a WhatsApp message and voice note she received from the secretary of Baba Ijesha pleading on his behalf. And responding, Princess averred that people keep committing crimes and dehumanizing others, but they are the ones who turn around to claim they are victims. And according to Princess, who is bent on getting justice for her daughter, there are numerous people Baba Ijesha had molested in the past, adding it's high time that people understand that she can no longer cover his evil deeds. As well, people, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and as well as the notification bell so as to always get the latest news here on our YouTube channel.
And this is Baba Ijesha giving out instruction inside Panti to his group members that they should start spreading rumors that we were dating, and they should start writing things about me but pretend they don't know him.
Gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn gbogbo ẹ máa die down tẹ́ bá ti ń dá lóhùn ẹ kó die down ni lẹ́yìn ilé tó ti sọ yìí sì kò lè sọ mímọ́ lọ́la kò gbọ́dọ̀ lọ sórí social media mọ́ wọ́n ti banned everything láti délé ní so fúnra ẹ lọ́kàn balẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹn kan máa ṣe publicity fún mi bí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ mí ẹ máa lọ like ẹ máa share àwọn nǹkan tó bá ní ẹ máa share àwọn èèyàn ẹ máa kọ I know you that you know how to write inspirational kìíní ẹ má torí ìyẹn àti mòótọ́ o ìṣúná bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà will still come out by himself but yeah so ẹ má lose hope that's all you need to say so ọgbọ́n lèèyàn máa fi ṣe nǹkan.